Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SAT TV Week. Now I'm pleased to be joined by Ray Powers of Walton De-Ice. Ray, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Now, Walton De-Ice has three primary product ranges. Tell me about them.
Well, first of all, we're celebrating our 40th anniversary. And how we started out was our initial product, large earth station antennas. And we created hot air de-ice. And what we do is we simply enclose the entire back structure of the reflector and put hot air in, as simple as that, using either gas furnaces or electric.
Now, talking about these product ranges, behind us we have one of your newest products, but it's particularly targeted at the military sector. Explain a little bit more.
Absolutely, I'd love to. What you see behind us is our portable radome. And the satellite industry is constantly evolving, and the newest excitement, the buzz, is these new LEO constellations that are proposed and in fact happening as we speak. With this comes a challenge of these antennas being placed in extreme environments, either heat or cold, and they move. These are tracking antennas. So trying to figure out a way to protect that antenna from the environments, i.e. de-icing, or in extreme solar conditions, we came up with the idea of creating an affordable, portable radome. But it had to be able to be virtually invisible to RF because of the use of Ku and Ka band antennas in these LEO constellations. So we now have a patented product, the portable radome. It's available in sizes from approximately 1.5 meter up to 6.5 meter, depending on the needs of the end user. And as you mentioned, the greatest interest is actually coming from the military segment, because the militaries are in these extreme environments, either in Arctic conditions or in extreme desert conditions. And so the portable radome can be passive, meaning no heat, no air, or we provide air conditioning to protect the equipment in the extreme heat.
Walton De-Ice is known by everybody, so that presents a challenge in itself in developing new markets and new customers. Tell me how you go about that.
You're right, Richard, in that people are comfortable knowing that Walton De-Ice is going to be here. So sometimes that creates a lack of communication. We just know Walton De-Ice is going to be there, so it's not really necessary for us to come around, say hello, contact us. But as I mentioned earlier, the satellite industry is constantly evolving. And so we have to stay ahead of that with new product, new material, new engineering. And so we like to stay in contact with our customers, just to say hello, give them updates on what's available, or perhaps what direction the end user should be going in regards to protecting their equipment from the environment.
But the challenge in itself when developing new products, how do you go about that? Is that feedback from customers? Is that you coming up with new crazy ideas?
Actually both. Feedback from customers is our primary responsibility. Listen to what the customer's needs are. And this is where, over the generations, we have literally changed our product to meet customer demand. Not just supply, but the effectiveness. Secondly, the new and crazy ideas, again, goes back to the portable radome. Thinking of a way of creating a method of protecting these new concepts. Tracking antennas, flat panel antennas. How do you de-ice these? How do you protect them from extreme heats? Our Vice President, David Walton, is the creator and holds the patent on the portable radome. And it has sparked a great amount of interest. Initially, to be honest, we thought would be the commercial segment. However, it's really more the government and military segment now, where the portable radome has created the most interest.
Well, Ray, it's been interesting to talk to you. I'll catch up with you again shortly. Thank you.
Thank you, Richard. Thanks again.